Here, babe. So here we are in Jamaica, our first time, and we're at Dunn River Falls, and getting ready to go on a trip. So.
Okay.
Wow. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is fantastic.
By the pool.
Oh, look at that.
Your team.
Jamaica, man. Oh.
You want to feel it? Step in it. Step in it and feel it.
Beautiful. Oh, look at it. Ooh, it's a bit chilly. Woo. Let's look at this. Talk to me, talk to me. Got sand in there.
Ready to go up the poles.
Yes.
Swing it up there so you can circle it.
Actually, you know what?
No problem, no problem. No problem. Watch your step, everybody watch your step.
Hold up, hon. Hold up 1 second. Let me put my wrist in.
Oh yeah, you need double stick.
Yeah. Okay, babe.
Alright.
Wait till I move, love.
Okay, babe.
Back.
I'm turning this off. I'm filming.
Let loose.
Wow.
Hey guys, brothers, stay to your left on the rock. Stay to your left on the rock. To your left. Yeah, to the left. Left. Yeah.
Woo. Oh, wow. That is tiring.
Tired already?
Me too.
said keep to the left.
Yeah. Hey guys, let's go. This way my people right here.
Let's go in. Let's go in. You want to go in, Hun? Hun.
I don't know, man. I want to get too wet yet.
Okay.
Hey, now.
Everybody get straight, get straight. Don't be afraid, my team, number one.
Come on, Hun.
One team, the number one team. Woo! Hey, no diving, no diving.
Come on, baby.
Everybody say yeah!
Hey, baby. How are you, love? No, that's good. Because it's on my wrist, Hun. I guess we go this way. Yeah.
Get down there and I'll follow. Bye, bud.
Oh, I love this water.
Thanks for making it Jamaica.
Oh my God.
Definitely our exercise.
Yes. This is the end, finally. Eileen. We finally made it to the top.
I got me a souvenir.
Yes, there you go, driftwood.
I'll probably get sent that to somewhere there.
There you go, let's have a look. Woo! Bloody hell.